Good morning guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you some mods I have done to my 2017 RM83. So let's get started. So first mod, as you can see, is the signal relocation kit. जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, it comes under the mirrors. And the second mod is 16-inch APE hangers, and I have reversed the mirrors. Show you more. And I've added some front controls on the bike, and Harley-Davidson 48 seat, as you can see. So this is how it looks from the back with the APE hangers. Let's go to the other side. So that's how the bike looks with the 48 seat, and you can see those Harley-Davidson vents and high short shorts and front controls. We got here okay guys, so now we're gonna fire up the bike. अभी वेदर इतना अच्छा नहीं है कि हम लोग बाहर जाके राइड कर सकें. जस्ट द वेदर इज गेटिंग बेटर. समर आ रहा है, तभी +4 है, so I think it's gonna melt down soon. And now I'm gonna show you the sound of the bike. Let's do it. So guys, we don't really need a key for this thing. So we get a fob, so you don't really have to put the key in the ignition or whatever. So let's fire it up. Guys, see you in the next video.